Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes and having fun at your homes. Now schools are open, so you are all very excited. So today we will do topic number 8.8 beats. So first I will write a definition. First definition is a periodic alternation. Periodic means time is constant. Alteration means change. The periodic alternation of sound between maximum and minimum loudness is called beats. Now the second definition is when two waves of slightly, this is the condition that they should be they should have slightly different frequency. Traveling in same direction. This is second condition, that they should be in same direction over each other. Same direction over each other. Over with each other. Then there is a periodic variation of maximum of sound between maximum and minimum loudness. So these are the two definitions. First definition is a periodic alternation of sound between maximum and minimum loudness. This is a sound. The variation in maximum and minimum loudness is called beats. So time is constant and there is change in sound between maximum and minimum. And the second definition is when two waves, here is the first condition is two waves, then slightly different frequency, they should have different frequency, traveling in same direction, and they should be in same direction with each other, and have periodic variation. They would have periodic variation in them. This would be periodic variation. Time is constant between the maximum, this is the maximum point, and this is the minimum point of loudness, is called beats. Now next is uses of beats. Uses. First uses is in the tuning of musical instrument. Tuning of folk or tuning of musical instrument. Musical instrument. Number second uses is finding unknown frequency. Known frequency of vibrating body. Number third point is produce variety in music. So these are the 3 points of beats.